Juice might seem like one of the healthiest drinks you can grab from the store, but not all bottles in the juice aisle are as good as they look. Bright packaging, fruit pictures, and words like natural, fresh, or vitamin-rich can make a product seem nutritious at first glance. The reality, though, is that many popular juices are very different from what shoppers expect once you look beyond the label. Some are made from concentrate, some contain added sweeteners, and others are formulated more for shelf life and flavor consistency than for real fruit quality. A lot of people assume that if a juice brand is widely sold or heavily advertised, it must automatically be a smart choice. But popularity doesn't always equal quality. In many cases, products become well known because of marketing power, pricing, or shelf placement rather than ingredient simplicity. That means you could be buying something that tastes fruity but doesn't necessarily deliver the natural freshness you think you're getting. Another thing most shoppers overlook is how juice is processed. From pasteurization methods to filtration techniques and added flavor packs, different production styles can dramatically change taste, texture, and nutritional value. Without knowing what signs to watch for, it's easy to grab a bottle that looks healthy but turns out to be more like a flavored drink than real juice. In this guide, we're going to break down popular juice options and look at which ones may not match expectations and why. Once you understand what separates high-quality juice from average products, you'll never look at the beverage aisle the same way again. If you want honest food breakdowns that help you shop smarter and avoid disappointing buys, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next guide. Number 1. Tropicana juice. Tropicana is one of the most recognizable names in the juice aisle and is often associated with breakfast tables and fresh flavor. Because of its strong reputation and wide availability, many shoppers assume it delivers the same experience as freshly squeezed juice. However, depending on expectations, some consumers notice differences that can influence how satisfying it feels compared to less processed options. One of the main factors people discuss is processing method. Like many shelf-stable juices, certain Tropicana varieties go through pasteurization to extend freshness and safety. This process is common in packaged beverages, but it can slightly alter flavor notes compared to fresh juice. While many people don't mind the difference, those accustomed to freshly squeezed juice sometimes notice a milder or more uniform taste profile. Another point is flavor consistency. Large-scale production aims to ensure every bottle tastes the same, regardless of season or fruit batch. To achieve this, juice producers may blend batches from different sources. This standardization helps maintain reliability, but it can also reduce the natural variation that fresh juice naturally has. Some consumers prefer that consistency, while others enjoy the subtle differences that come with less standardized products. Sweetness level can also shape perception. Even without added sugar, fruit juice naturally contains significant natural sugars. For people monitoring sugar intake, this can be something they pay closer attention to when choosing beverages. While juice can still be part of a balanced diet, some shoppers compare labels to find options that align with their preferences. Texture is another detail that varies by product line. Some varieties are pulp-free for smoothness, while others include pulp for a more natural feel. Preferences differ widely. Some people enjoy a silky drink, while others feel pulp adds authenticity. Tropicana tends to work best for shoppers who want convenience, familiarity, and consistent flavor. Those seeking a taste closer to fresh-pressed juice may explore refrigerated or freshly squeezed options instead. Understanding what the product is designed for helps set expectations and makes it easier to choose the type of juice that matches your personal preference. Number 2. Minute Maid juice. Minute Maid, owned by the Coca-Cola Company, is another widely known juice brand found in grocery stores across the United States. With a long history and a wide range of flavors, it's often chosen by shoppers looking for an affordable and familiar beverage. Still, as with many mass-produced drinks, experiences can vary depending on expectations about taste, ingredients, and texture. One of the biggest factors influencing opinions is product variety. Minute Maid offers everything from 100% juices to juice drinks and blends. While this wide selection gives shoppers plenty of choices, it can also create confusion if someone assumes all products in the lineup are the same type. Some options contain added ingredients for flavor balance or sweetness, so label reading becomes important for buyers comparing different varieties. Flavor intensity is another aspect people notice. Many Minute Maid drinks are formulated to appeal to a broad audience, meaning they're typically smooth and approachable rather than sharply tart or bold. This style makes them enjoyable for casual drinking, but those who prefer strong, freshly squeezed flavor sometimes find them milder than expected. Texture is usually very smooth because most varieties are filtered to remove pulp. That consistency is appealing for people who like clean, easy-to-drink juice. However, consumers who associate pulp with freshness may feel the drink has a more processed feel. This again comes down to preference rather than quality. Shelf life is a major advantage. Packaged juices like Maid are designed to last longer when unopened, which makes them convenient for storage. For busy households, that reliability can be a big benefit. Others who prioritize freshness above convenience might instead choose refrigerated juices with shorter storage times. Maid is often best suited for shoppers who want a dependable, affordable juice with familiar flavor. Those looking for something closer to freshly squeezed juice may simply prefer smaller batch or fresh-pressed alternatives. Matching expectations with product style is what ultimately determines satisfaction. Number 3. Ocean Spray Juice. Ocean Spray is especially famous for its cranberry-based drinks and has built a strong reputation over decades as a recognizable name in the juice aisle. Because it's closely associated with fruit imagery and bold flavors, many shoppers expect a drink that tastes very close to freshly pressed fruit juice. However, depending on which product line someone buys, their experience can vary more than expected. One important factor is product category. Ocean Spray sells both 100% juice products and juice cocktails. Juice cocktails often include added sweeteners or blended juices to balance cranberry's natural tartness. This isn't unusual for cranberry drinks. Pure cranberry juice is extremely sour, but it can surprise buyers who assume every bottle is pure juice. Reading labels becomes especially important with brands that offer multiple drink styles under the same name. Flavor balance is another point people notice. Cranberry naturally has a sharp, tangy taste. So many Ocean Spray varieties are designed to be smoother and sweeter for broader appeal. While this makes them enjoyable for casual drinking, some people expecting strong tartness may find certain blends milder than anticipated. This difference usually comes down to formulation rather than quality. Texture is typically smooth because most varieties are filtered. This creates a clean drinking experience and uniform consistency. However, consumers who associate texture or pulp with freshness may feel the drink is more processed in comparison to freshly pressed juices. Shelf stability is one of the brand's strengths. Many Ocean Spray juices are packaged to last longer unopened, which makes them convenient for storage and pantry stocking. For busy households, that reliability is often a major advantage. On the other hand, shoppers focused on freshness sometimes prefer refrigerated juices with shorter shelf lives. Number 4. Welch's Juice. Welch's is widely recognized for its grape juices and fruit drinks, and it has been a staple in American households for generations. Because of its strong brand recognition and association with grapes, many consumers expect a drink that closely resembles fresh grape juice. Still, as with many large beverage brands, experiences can vary depending on which specific product someone chooses. One factor that shapes perception is sweetness. Grapes naturally contain a high level of natural sugars, and grape juice tends to taste sweeter than many other fruit juices. Some Welch's varieties emphasize this sweetness, which makes them enjoyable for those who like bold flavor. Others who prefer lighter or more refreshing drinks sometimes find the taste richer than expected. Product variety also plays a role. Welch's produces both 100% juice options and juice drinks. The difference matters because juice drinks may include additional ingredients for flavor balance or consistency. Shoppers who don't check labels carefully might assume all bottles contain the same formulation when they actually differ. This is common across many beverage brands with large product ranges. Flavor intensity is another detail. Welch's grape juice is often described as bold and concentrated in taste. Fans enjoy this richness, especially when served chilled or diluted slightly with water. For some people, though, that intensity can feel heavier than they prefer for everyday drinking. Texture is typically smooth and pulp-free, which gives it a clean finish. Many consumers like this consistency because it's easy to drink and predictable. Others who associate texture with freshness may prefer juices that contain natural pulp or sediment. Number 5. V8 Splash. 5/8 Splash is often picked up by shoppers who want a fruity drink with a lighter feel than traditional juice. Because the V8 name is strongly associated with vegetable juice, some buyers assume all products under the brand follow a similar style. However, Splash drinks are formulated quite differently, and expectations can vary depending on what someone thinks they're buying. One key factor is product type. V8 Splash is generally categorized as a juice drink rather than pure juice. This means it typically contains a blend of juices from concentrate along with other ingredients designed to balance flavor and shelf life. For shoppers expecting a straight fruit juice, this distinction can make a noticeable difference in taste and consistency. Understanding that difference helps avoid confusion when comparing it to 100% juice options. Flavor profile is another point that shapes opinions. Splash varieties are usually designed to be sweet, smooth, and easy to drink. This makes them appealing for casual sipping or for people who prefer milder fruit flavors. However, those looking for bold, fresh fruit taste sometimes find them lighter or less intense than expected. That contrast usually comes from formulation style rather than product quality. Texture is typically very smooth because the drinks are filtered and blended for consistency. Many people enjoy that uniform feel, especially when serving chilled. Others who associate natural juice with slight pulp or sediment may find the texture more beverage-like than juice-like. Number 6. Sunny D. Sunny Delight, commonly known as Sunny D, is a brightly colored citrus-flavored drink that has been popular for decades, especially among younger audiences. Because of its orange appearance, some shoppers assume it's similar to orange juice. In reality, it's categorized as a citrus-flavored beverage rather than pure juice, and understanding that difference can shape expectations. One of the most noticeable characteristics is flavor style. Sunny D is designed to be sweet, smooth, and easy to drink, which makes it appealing to people who prefer mild citrus taste rather than sharp acidity. This approach gives it a very approachable profile, but those expecting the tangy bite of fresh orange juice sometimes find it tastes different from what they anticipated. Texture is another point of distinction. Unlike many traditional juices, Sunny D is typically very smooth and uniform. It doesn't contain pulp, which many consumers appreciate because it makes the drink consistent and easy to sip. On the other hand, people who associate pulp with freshness may prefer beverages that more closely resemble freshly squeezed juice. Ingredient composition also influences perception. Drinks like Sunny D are formulated for flavor consistency and long shelf life, which helps ensure the same taste in every bottle. This reliability is convenient for families and regular buyers, but it also means the product is designed more as a flavored beverage than a traditional juice. Color is another feature people often notice. The bright appearance is part of the brand's identity and makes it visually appealing, especially for kids. However, shoppers expecting the look of natural juice sometimes find it more vibrant than anticipated. Number 7. Apple and Eve Juice. Apple and Eve is a well-known brand often associated with children's juice boxes and family-friendly beverages. Because it's frequently marketed toward parents looking for convenient drink options, many shoppers assume it closely resembles fresh fruit juice. However, depending on the specific product variety, expectations can differ from the actual drinking experience. One factor that shapes perception is product range. Apple and Eve produces both 100% juices and juice drinks. While they may look similar on shelves, these categories can differ in formulation and flavor strength. Shoppers who don't check labels carefully sometimes expect all versions to taste like pure juice, which can lead to surprises once they try them. Flavor profile is usually designed to be mild and approachable. This makes the drinks appealing for kids and casual sipping, but people who prefer bold or freshly pressed fruit flavor sometimes find certain varieties lighter than expected. That milder taste is intentional, as it's meant to appeal to a wide audience rather than deliver intense fruit notes. Texture is typically very smooth because the juices are filtered to remove pulp or sediment. Many consumers enjoy this clean consistency, especially in single-serve boxes. Others who associate texture with freshness might prefer juices that retain more natural pulp. Packaging convenience is one of the brand's biggest strengths. Small boxes and bottles are easy to store, carry, and serve, which makes them practical for lunches or travel. That reliability is a major reason the brand remains popular with families. Number 8. Capri Sun. Capri Sun is famous for its signature pouch packaging and has long been a staple in lunchboxes and snack bags. Because it features fruit imagery and bright flavors, some buyers assume it functions like traditional juice. In reality, Capri Sun products are generally categorized as juice drinks rather than pure juice, which can affect expectations. One noticeable characteristic is flavor style. Capri Sun drinks are typically designed to be light, sweet, and refreshing rather than strong or concentrated. This makes them easy to drink, especially for younger audiences, but those expecting the bold taste of freshly squeezed juice may find them milder than anticipated. Texture is very smooth and uniform, which many consumers appreciate. Since the drink is filtered and blended, it doesn't contain pulp or sediment. For people who prefer clean, consistent beverages, that's a positive feature. Others who associate pulp with authenticity might prefer more traditional juices. Portability is one of Capri Sun's biggest advantages. The pouch format is lightweight, compact, and convenient for travel or school lunches. This practical design is a major reason the product remains widely purchased even among households that also buy other beverages. Number 9. Simply Orange. Simply Orange Juice Company is often marketed as a more natural-style orange juice, and its transparent bottle packaging reinforces that fresh, simple image. Many shoppers pick it up expecting something very close to freshly squeezed juice. While it's widely appreciated, perceptions can vary depending on individual taste preferences. One factor people notice is flavor consistency consistency. Large juice brands aim to keep taste uniform year-round, even though oranges vary naturally by season. To achieve this, batches may be blended from different sources. This ensures reliability, but it can also create a flavor that feels more standardized than freshly squeezed juice, which naturally changes over time. Texture is typically smooth with optional pulp varieties. Those who choose pulp-free versions get a clean drinking experience, while pulp options provide a more natural feel. Preferences differ widely. Some enjoy the smoothness, others feel pulp adds authenticity. Sweetness balance is another point of discussion. Orange juice naturally contains fruit sugars, and some varieties can taste sweeter depending on the blend. People who prefer tangy citrus flavor sometimes notice this difference compared to fresh juice squeezed at home. Number 10. Naked juice. Naked juice is known for thick fruit smoothies and blended juice drinks that often include combinations of fruits and vegetables. Because the bottles highlight ingredients and vibrant colors, many shoppers expect something very close to homemade smoothies. While the drinks are popular, experiences can vary depending on expectations about texture and flavor. One noticeable difference is thickness. Unlike traditional juices, naked beverages are designed to be dense and smoothie-like. Many people enjoy this because it feels filling and substantial. Others expecting a lighter drink may find the texture heavier than anticipated. Flavor intensity is another factor. Blended fruit combinations can create bold taste profiles, which some consumers love. However, because fruits naturally contain sugars, certain varieties may taste sweeter than expected. People who prefer milder beverages sometimes choose flavors with more vegetable ingredients to balance sweetness. Serving size perception also plays a role. Bottles are often larger than standard juice containers, which can make it easy to drink more than intended in one sitting. For some shoppers, this is convenient, while others prefer smaller portions. Not every juice on the shelf delivers the same experience, and as you've seen, differences in processing, formulation, and flavor style can really change what ends up in your glass. But the good news is that some juice options consistently stand out for their ingredient quality, freshness, and overall balance. Better choice. Number 1. Cold-pressed fresh juice. Cold-pressed juice is often considered one of the closest store-bought alternatives to freshly made juice. Unlike traditional processing methods that use heat, cold-pressed juices are typically extracted using hydraulic pressure. This technique helps preserve natural flavor, aroma, and color, which many people feel results in a fresher taste. Because of this gentler extraction process, these juices are often chosen by shoppers who prioritize freshness and ingredient integrity. One of the biggest advantages is flavor brightness. Cold-pressed juices tend to taste more vibrant because the ingredients aren't exposed to as much heat during production. Many consumers describe the taste as closer to homemade juice compared to standard shelf-stable options. This makes them appealing for people who want a drink that feels less processed. Ingredient simplicity is another reason they're popular. Many cold-pressed varieties contain only fruit or vegetable juice without added sweeteners or flavor enhancers. This straightforward formulation appeals to shoppers who like knowing exactly what they're drinking. Reading labels is still important, but these juices often have shorter ingredient lists than traditional packaged beverages. Texture can also feel more natural. Some cold-pressed juices retain slight pulp or natural sediment, which can give them a more authentic feel. While some people prefer perfectly smooth drinks, others enjoy this subtle texture because it reminds them of freshly blended juice. Shelf life is usually shorter than standard juices because fewer preservation steps are used. For many buyers, that shorter lifespan actually signals freshness. It encourages quicker consumption and can make the drink feel closer to something prepared the same day. Better choice number 2. POM, Wonderful Pomegranate Juice. POM Wonderful is widely recognized for its distinctive bottle shape and focus on pomegranate juice. Unlike many fruit drinks that blend multiple juices, this brand is known for emphasizing a single fruit source. For shoppers who prefer straightforward ingredient profiles, that simplicity can be a strong advantage. One standout feature is flavor intensity. Pomegranate naturally has a bold, slightly tart taste, and this juice tends to highlight that characteristic rather than masking it. Many people appreciate the balance between sweet and tangy notes, which can make it feel more refreshing than overly sweet fruit drinks. Another appealing aspect is ingredient transparency. Products are often labeled clearly to indicate what type of juice they contain, which helps shoppers understand what they're buying. This clarity is helpful when comparing beverages, especially for people who want to avoid drinks with multiple added ingredients. Texture is typically smooth but still feels substantial because pomegranate juice has a a naturally rich consistency. It's not as thick as a smoothie, yet it isn't watery either, giving it a balanced mouthfeel that many consumers enjoy. Choosing juice might seem simple, but as you've seen, there's actually a big difference between products depending on how they're made, what ingredients they contain, and what they're designed for. Some beverages focus on convenience and long shelf life, others aim for bold flavor, and some are created to feel as close to fresh juice as possible. Understanding those differences is what helps smart shoppers pick drinks that match their expectations instead of relying only on packaging or brand familiarity. At the end of the day, smart shopping isn't about avoiding products randomly, it's about understanding them. When you know what to look for, you can choose drinks that truly fit your lifestyle, preferences, and expectations. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss honest guides that help you shop smarter and choose better every time.